Hello, if you are wondering what is the newest tablet made by Samsung, then the answer right now as of the day of recording this video is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra and S10 Plus. So these are pretty much identical Galaxy Tabs. The main difference is pretty much the display size and memory and storage size as well, because for Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra we have three options. We can choose 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. We also have the 512 GB of storage and also 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. But if you choose to go for a Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, then you don't have the option to use the 16 GB RAM and 1 TB of storage. You can also choose to have the Wi-Fi only option, so you can only use Wi-Fi. However, you can also choose to, in addition to that, use the 5G network as well. So keep that in mind when you purchase the tablet, that if you choose Wi-Fi only, then you will not be able to use the SIM card. And that's pretty much it. Of course, the newest tablets will always be accessible on the Samsung website, so you can go to samsung.com, tap on shop, and then you should be able to find tablets and computing. And then over here you should be able to find in future deals. The first option most of the time is the newest tablet or the series of tablets. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.